How to grow cannabis, tips for growing cannabis. Should not be too big gardening enthusiasts to get excited about the process of growth of the hemp plant, sprouting, colors and smells amazing, give a glimpse into the secrets of the wonder plant. If you have already won the full view of the growing process of cannabis herb, no wonder that you're infected with the bacteria growth in your home. Want to start a seedling to grow cannabis at home? It is now possible. Say goodbye to dealers, and get some great tips to help you raise the professional level of quality flowers successfully. Practice space growth. To grow right is understanding how to do it. What are the conditions at our disposal, foreign or interior conditions, and it is the necessary equipment to be provided. For plant growth we will have three main elements: water, earth and light. These three are the natural ingredients found in nature. But if we choose to grow inside we will have to trace these ingredients in the best way, using a lamp, drip irrigation and soil quality. However, if we choose to grow outdoor conditions we will have to choose a place to plant the best point which meets all the conditions: soil quality, direct light, regular watering or drip irrigation. Every form a tumor-specific settings and conditions that need to fulfill them to achieve success. For example, an increase in hydro industries closed casket or increase require us to specialize in specific tumor at the base we chose. Write a diary documentary increase. Notebook FSOF made sure to document the process of growth of the hemp plant, which went def exact date of sprouting until the date when the plant came from the ground. Be sure to record everything, measure and write the high growth rate, so that you will be constantly monitoring the proper development of the plant. In situations where a problem arises, you can speak to the reason for change by accurate documentation, so even if you move a little concern from its plant, adding them to fertilizer or you open ventilated room, so be sure to register. The increase in space daily visit. Do not spare your precious kids' day visit. If you want you can even sing them a lullaby. The increase in daily visits to the space we provide essential information for further growth, which can identify omissions or faults and correct them in a moment. In addition, we examine the plants then 360 degrees, see the color and look closely at the pace of development, debug insects and even prevent moisture. The sooner we identify pests that NAMDA or development issues later. The increase in ventilation space. Kept constant observation of the growth area. When guests grow the cannabis plants in an enclosed space such as a room or closet, have a constant circulation of air and oxygen to prevent moisture and mold. Air is going to encourage the accumulation of mold, bacteria and insects. Select had enclosed rooms ventilated wall to give a gentle breeze and open spaces as balcony or terrace. Made sure to place the plants where it is used and can enjoy the natural breeze. Spirit will strengthen the base of plants, roots and stems, as you already know, is strong seedling grow into a healthy plant. Avoid or game plant. Cannabis herb feel everything, sometimes not gentle touch can bring a weakening stalks and loss burden. Therefore, preferred to avoid direct or play with stalks and flowers of the plant unless necessary. Pulling out or cutting of healthy leaves is not necessary at all. The leaves play an important role in photosynthesis of the plant, so the common belief that remove owners of the plant out of a desire to delegate the benefit of energy crops or flowers quite wrong. Keep the right temperature. As we all know, the temperatures vary during the day cycle of 24 hours. Nighttime temperatures may be lower than during the day due to the disappearance of the strong sun. Cannabis plants to grow healthy, beautiful and quality we need to maintain a constant temperature. The right temperature for the day will be at between 28 to 32 degrees and at night between 10 to 16 degrees. This is to allow cannabis to trace the natural gas to air as normal since the dawn of evolution. Keep the appropriate humidity levels. Never forget the humidity, particularly humidity internal conditions is a matter of life and death for your plants. How do you do that? Humidity and temperature gauge solve the issue easily. Of course, humidity varies according to the seasons and phases of growth. Growth and development phase of the plant moisture to be over 40%, in cases in which occurs a significant drop in humidity, can squirt water through spritzer or humidifier in the room and directly on the plant. Later it begin to grow flowers. Plant prefers less moisture to prevent mold and preferred to keep the humidity below 45%. Select the quality fertilizers. The market will find a large number of companies that offer their products fertilizers successful. Each manufacturer has specific instructions on which fertilize the plants. Fertilization is used as a food additive quality cannabis plant and may improve the final product, flowers. Fertilizers will be divided into 3 different groups: fertilizer for the growth phase, fertilizer for flowering stage, and reinforces antibiotics against diseases, disease or pests. Prepare the plant from picking flowers. When the plant blooms, you will witness a spectacular appearance of cannabis flowers in all their glory. At the end of the flowering period, started to prepare the plant for the picking flowers. This process will require you to stop the habits of irrigation and fertilizer. Lenders set out to create a new cleaning routine that includes thorough rinsing in water for 7 days and the roots of the plant. At the end of the flushing process, perform fast for the plant. Chose not to water the plant at all for 48 hours, only then you can gently pick the flowers. Love the article? Help us spread the word, share.